today I'm going to do a review of this little beast, new Jetta. This is 2019 Jetta SEL, and well, it's pretty okay looking. The back looks more like Audi. No one is talking about that, I guess, but I will. So yeah, the taillights remind me of Audi A4. It doesn't have any badges that says what kind of model you have, it just says Jetta. And in the back, you don't see the exhaust. It's probably just too small, and you will embarrass yourself when you're going to car meets and shove your exhaust, so they just hide it behind. You don't need to see it. It's horrible. Okay, it has a massive sunroof. I'll talk about that later. Yeah, the only thing that says that you have a cool version is here, SEL. Otherwise, there is nothing that says that you are the cool guy. The headlights are pretty cool as well. I like them. I think they're LED. Looks like LED. And yeah, this is the engine. This is the biggest engine I've ever seen in a car. 1.4 liter per cylinder. It's very tiny, very quiet. Okay. Nothing interesting there. Let's go inside. Inside you can see that this is definitely from Audi. The virtual cockpit, it's only in the higher trims like this one. So I can say that you're cool. You have the display here. You can have Android Auto, CarPlay, all that stuff. Menu, you can change the lights. Over here you can see the lights. I put a yellow, I like the yellow. I'll put a link, oh not link, I put the video right now about the lights. So here's at night at the normal mode. It has this light blue and everything lights up in blue. Now we're going to change to the that was actually eco. Now it's normal. It has a white. The dashboard still stays blue, and the rest is white. Now we're going to change it to sport, and it's all going red, and the dashboard is going red, so we barely can see the tachometer where the red line is, because it's all red, so whatever. And then the custom, and it's changing again. So here let's see the kind of lights we can have and what is changing and what is not. So this is red. We have the cockpit red, the doors and the rest is also red. Now we go into orange. This is also changing to orange, yellow, bright yellow. This is nice. I'm not sure what the name of this color is. Blue, dark blue, purple, and pink. I like the yellow one. Up inside is Beats audio. That's I guess only for SEL models. And then that just to say that you're cool when you're going to car meets and you're playing some cool music and like, oh, I have Beats, yo. There's now 8-speed, still dual clutch, still that fun fast. Really fast, by the way. I was very surprised yesterday when I was driving this car, because I only have it for a day. It was switching gears quickly, very quickly. You can have a manual, but you would have to go with the standard, like the S model Jetta. But that's okay. Like, I'm not sure if you're gonna have as much fun with the manual as you can have with this. So, thumbs up for this. The transmission is good. The engine is very surprisingly fast. It's very tiny. You would not expect that tiny engine to be fast. It is. The car is really light, and that makes this car really fast, but it's very quiet. So if I put it in neutral and grab it, that's it. That's all you can hear. Barely anything. And very economical. Like, I don't know what kind of engine you can get with a mileage of 30 in the city, 4 in the highway, and getting from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds or less. I don't remember exactly the numbers, but the car is really fast. What I like in this car is adaptive cruise control. You can make it, like right now it's standard 20 miles, you can make it 30 miles, and it actually does everything by yourself. Like right now I remove the foot off the brake, chilling. As soon as the light changes to green, I need to just tap the gas and the car goes, and it's going to reach the maximum speed that I set, unless there is a car ahead of me. So it's going to just keep the speed that the car ahead of me has, which is really cool. Okay, now it goes by itself. I'm not doing anything. I'm not even braking. And it does the braking for me. Okay, now it says that's it. It stopped. Now the car moves, and we are moving. That is so cool. That's like a cool. Whoa, 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 whoa! I don't trust you that much. Nah. So what just happened that the car was thinking it can fit between 2 cars. I didn't trust him to go between 2 cars, especially when it's accelerating, not going slow. No, hell no. I'm doing it by myself. So even though it's cool in the traffic, not in the city. Don't do it in the city. That was stupid. You wanted the Golf. You wanted the Golf so much, but you didn't have enough money, and you bought yourself Jetta. And Volkswagen makes fun of you. So, see over here, Golf. See over here, Golf. And you're in a Jetta. It's like, fuck you. Like, you wanted the Golf, what the fuck, you didn't have money, you got yourself a Jetta. Doesn't look that nice, but it has all the same features, and it's, instead of a hatchback, being a sedan. So, to conclude this funny, well not funny, short review, I don't think I'm funny. I should say that the engine is awesome. I love it. Like, the engineering is on spot. The car is tiny, the engine is tiny, but it's fast, and its fuel economy is amazing. Like, you're on a hybrid. I guess that's why they hide the exhaust. So the engine is huge plus, transmission huge plus, and if you want to have something fun, you should get this, but not this model specifically, because yesterday I was trying out the sunroof. You see, yeah, it's huge, it's amazing, but not so much. I opened it once and it didn't close all the way. I'm just hoping that the guys in the dealership would tell me that it's okay and it's not my fault. So when you're going to look into buying this car, just probably get an S version without the sunroof, so just to avoid those kind of problems that I just had. But in general, the car is really cool. You have to be very careful with the adaptive cruise control, but it's very functional, especially in the traffic like we have here in New York or LA. I haven't been in LA, but I assume it's horrible, just as bad as here. Yeah. This is, oh yeah, by the way, this is the sunroof. That's it. Yeah, it doesn't close. Just little, but it's closed now. Yeah, the space in the car is cool. The trunk is huge. So everything that you need in the car, this one has it. Heated seats, CarPlay, whatever. It's very comfortable. It's very soft on the bumps. Very, well, I already said it's fast, and it handles very well. And it's really cheap. Like, you can get the S version for slightly over 18 grand. That's not bad. And you have a new car. Not like I buy used cars for $1,000, and then they break and they spend money on it. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, put a thumbs up and comment if I missed something funny. in this car or not. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. This thing is just really rattling when you're driving and you're listening to music really loudly, just like, yeah, just like that. Not a fan of this, so keep in mind.